Want to create professional talking avatar videos in just minutes without ever showing your face or buying expensive camera gear? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using Vidnoz AI. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy, cost-effective way to make engaging videos, you've probably run into Vidnoz. It's an online AI video generator built to help you create videos up to 10 times faster. Best of all, it's free to start, and you don't even need to input a credit card to try it out. So what makes Vidnoz stand out? First is the sheer variety. The platform gives you access to over 1,900 realistic AI avatars that feature expressive body language, making your virtual spokesperson look and feel natural. You also get over 2,000 realistic AI voices and more than 2,800 pre-designed templates to kickstart your project. Whether you want to create an explainer video for a product, an e-learning course, onboarding training, or a high-converting sales video, they have a template for it. Plus, Vidnoz features advanced tools like one-click text-to-speech, voice cloning, which lets you generate a voice replica that sounds exactly like you, and impressive translation capabilities that support a wide range of languages, including Catalan. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. While we have limited independent third-party reviews available today, the feedback from organizations using the platform is highly positive. For example, the University of Halle uses Vidnoz to build interactive communication training tools for medical students, praising how fast and realistic the animated photo avatars are. Other business users highlight the helpfulness of their support team and how easy it is to translate academic and marketing videos. On the downside, because independent reviews are limited, we always recommend testing the platform yourself. Since it's free to try with no credit card required, you can easily test the avatar movements and voice quality to see if they meet your specific standards before committing. Using Vidnoz is incredibly simple. First, head over to vidnoz.com and sign up for a free account. Next, browse through their massive library of templates or select one of the 1,900 plus avatars. From there, type or paste your script into the text box, select your preferred AI voice, and adjust the language settings. When you're happy with the layout, just click Generate and the AI will render your finished talking avatar video in minutes. Vidnoz AI is a fast, accessible, and highly versatile tool for anyone looking to scale their video production in 2026. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to vidnoz.com today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of video you're going to create first. See you in the next video.